quadratic equations in vertex form are pretty much what you would expect from the name, vertex form. So they're written in a way that tells you what the vertex is directly. Right? So if you have y equals a times x minus h squared plus k like this, it tells you that the vertex is at h comma k. So the only thing to be careful of here is that you got to flip that sign, and the minus h becomes a plus h when you're looking for the vertex. So let's practice taking some vertex form equations and identifying their corresponding vertex. So y equals 2 times x minus 5 squared plus 3. So the two coordinates, we got the 5 is our h, the 3 is our k. And we flip the minus sign to a plus sign when we're writing the vertex. So the vertex is 5, positive 5, comma, positive 3. Just like that. The a doesn't play any role. It's just the 5 and the 3 here. All right? So if we do another one, so now we've got minus x plus 4 squared plus 5. So here h is 4, or negative 4, because we got to flip the plus sign to a minus sign, and then positive 5 is the y coordinate. So negative 4, positive 5. That plus 4 becomes a minus 5. We flip the sign. And the last one here, plus 3 and minus 8. When we look for the vertex, again, we flip the sign on the positive 3. That becomes a negative 3. The minus 8, we keep the sign the same for the y coordinate. Minus 3, comma, minus 8. All right, let's try and go in the other direction. So the three things we need to write a quadratic equation in vertex form, we need a, the leading coefficient, and we need the coordinates of the vertex. So if we're going backwards, if we know that a is 3 and the vertex is 1, comma 2, the equation in vertex form would be y equals, so we take a, that's our 3, x minus h, remember this is h, this is k, so minus 1 to the power 2, and then plus k plus 2. Okay, so the a became our leading coefficient here. The vertex first coordinate, or the x-coordinate, gives us our constant inside the parentheses after we flip the sign, and the second coordinate gives us k outside the parentheses. We don't flip the sign on that one. And one more, just like that. So a is negative 1 this time, the vertex is minus 4, comma minus 6. So y equals negative 1, or just minus x, and then h is negative 4. So negative 4 would be what we're looking at. That's just plus 4 in here. Plus 4, minus 4 becomes a plus 4, squared. And then minus 6, we keep the sign the same on that one. Minus 6 is the constant term outside the parentheses.